So this is very precious moment for me. I look forward to go to nature every time. That nature heals. It gives me all that confidence, all that boosting which I require for my creative passion, or you can say creative goal. So I always look forward to go to this kind of small trips which can give me inspiration.
Nature calls us because it restores what urban life depletes: peace, clarity, and sense of belonging. Spending time in mountains, jungle, desert, or by the sea counters boredom and FOMO by reconnecting us to our primal roots. Nature's exposure lowers stage hormones and depression through serene environments that promote relaxation. It helps us to overcome endless mental loops from city overstimulation. Studies show regular green or blue space visits are associated with the fewer health risks and better emotional regulation. Open spaces spark emergent thinking, helping ideas flow freely without urban distractions. Think writers or artists thriving on hikes. Forests and seas enhance focus and problem solving by restoring attention fatigue, making creative breakthrough more likely. Is mental reset forest innovation as nature's patterns inspire novel. We evolve in natural setting, so cities create a mismatch, causing disconnection and burnout. Nature heals this by fulfilling innate needs for wonder and space. Even short doses like weekend escape build resilience against the daily grind, improving sleep, empathy, and overall life satisfaction. For urban dwellers like me in Mumbai, India, nearby hills or coasts offer quick, profound relief. The sea, good times, and relaxation bring all these elements together, reminding us to pause in our busy schedule for our most wanted me time and creative spark.
So I will go to the nature every time and it will give me some kind of inspiration, and I will come out with new ideas, new shots, new inspiration. See you. Bye bye. Take care.